At around 4:30 a.m., our satellites detected a storm approaching the Ares 3 mission site on Mars. During the evacuation, astronaut Marku Watneyju was struck by debris and killed.
This is Marku Watneyju, and I'm still alive. I have no way to contact NASA or my crewmates.
It's the definitive survival story. It's almost like a science fiction version of Robinson Crusoe.
In the face of overwhelming odds, I'm left with only one option. I'm gonna have to science the hell out of this.
Houston, be advised.
Marku Watneyju is still alive.
I'm in this film about a guy stuck on Mars by himself, but there's this whole other aspect of what's happening on planet Earth.
If my math is right, he's going to starve to death long before we can help him. He's got an astronaut who's stranded on Mars. He's got 5 of them coming home. Do you risk losing 6, or do you save 5? It's bigger than one person.
No, it's not.
All of this drama, it's intercut between Jessica Chastain and the whole team that has left Mars.
If we mess up, we die.
We're all talking about whether or not we should change course to rescue Watneyju.
This is something NASA expressly rejected. We do this together or not at all.
Is it possible that he's still alive?